The development of American sociology is the beginning of this section. Today we think of that, we introduce that topic, and we see that it is difficult to give an exact date for its beginning in the United States. We see that during the 1880s, some courses were being offered at certain places, certain universities, but the first independent department of sociology was founded at the University of Kansas in 1889. In 1892, the University of Chicago set up the new department of sociology. So we see that the Chicago department became the first important center of American sociology. We also see that the early Americans were liberal political thinkers. So they had a belief in the freedom of the individual as well as the welfare of these very individuals. So many sociologists adopted an evolutionary view of social progress. That is, the societies move and progress in certain stages. There are certain steps which are followed by this evolutionary process. So in this respect, we focus or we start with the name of George Herbert Mead. He was a social psychologist, and he viewed life as a process of adaptation to the environment. The whole society adapts itself with the environment, and the individuals who are born in it or who come in it, they also adapt themselves to the environment, whether that is the social environment or the physical environment. His important work is in the shape of a book titled as Mind, Self, and Society. So he considers society as composed of groups and individuals. So society or a group as a whole, we see that its behavior is not the added individual behavior of individuals. So when we look at the behavior of the society, it as a holistic kind of thing, it might give a different perspective, different picture compared with the individual behaviors. So we see that social whole, in his opinion, the social whole or the society as a whole appears first. It precedes the incoming of the individuals. The individuals are born in this society. So maybe there is a temporal kind of sequence, and also they grow in that society. So logically they again adapt themselves to the societal environment. The part is explained in terms of the whole, not the whole in terms of the parts. So we see that an individual who is a thinking individual, self-conscious individual, is logically impossible to become a social being unless and until that individual is part and parcel of the society and interacts with the other members of the society. So by being a member of the society, he interacts, and thereby the society tries to shape this individual according to its requirements, according to its culture, and according to its norms. So whatever is the individual, he is more considered as a generalized other by George Herbert Mead.